Hi guys, it's the organic chemistry video. If you're not a science major, you might be confused about what organic chemistry is. Basically, it's the study of organic, carbon-containing molecules. This is important because we're made out of carbon. So today, I'm going to tell a few stories involving organic chemistry. So, the first story I want to share is the story behind the invention of nitrocellulose, a material that can go
kaboom?
Yes, Rico, kaboom.
So, way back in the 19th century, a guy by the name of Friedrich Schunnenbein was messing around with some nitrogen and sulfur containing acids in his kitchen. Something his wife told him was,
"That's no good."
He ended up spilling some of these acids, cleaned them up with his wife's apron, left that apron to dry over the stove, and
Yes, Rico, kaboom.
Now, to understand why the apron went kaboom, we need to talk a little bit about chemical bonds. Chemical bonds link atoms together, and when you break those bonds, you release energy. Therefore, by making bonds easier to break, you can make something more reactive, or in this case, more explosive. The acid mixture Schunnenbein used changed the structure of cellulose within the apron like this. Basically, by replacing these OH groups with these nitrogen-containing groups, you make the bonds in the cellulose easier to break, allowing for a more rapid release of energy and hence a kaboom. So, the next story I'm going to share revolves a little bit around some of the sussery of the early chemists back in the day. A student at Johns Hopkins by the name of Konstantin Fahlberg was eating some bread, and he was like, "Hey yo, this bread tasting kinda sweet." After this, he went back to the lab he was working in earlier in the day and performed the forbidden chemical test.
Lickety-lick, lickety-lick.
And thus, one of the first artificial sweeteners, saccharin, was born.
You just made a humongous mistake not subscribing. There's 104 days of summer vacation. This school comes along just to end it. All the annual problem for our generation is finding a good way to spend it. Like maybe building a rocket or fighting a mommy or climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Discovering something that doesn't exist. Or keeping a musky shower. Slipping tidal waves, creating nanobots or locating Frankenstein's brain. Finding a doodle babe, maybe a continent of gigantic to insane. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall. Gary, so stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. So stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. Mom, Phineas and Ferb are making a title sequence.